I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Transferring money from Payoneer to your bank account can be straightforward if you follow the right steps. Here is how to do it. Step 1. Log into your Payoneer account. Start by accessing your Payoneer account using your credentials. Make sure you have a stable internet connection to avoid any interruptions. Step 2. Navigate to the withdraw section. Once logged in, look for the withdraw option in the main menu. This is where you can manage your bank transfers. Step 3. Select your bank account. Choose the bank account you want to transfer the funds to. If you haven't linked your bank account yet, I'll need to do that first. Step 4. Enter the transfer amount. Input the amount you wish to transfer from your Payoneer balance to your bank account. Double check the amount to avoid any mistakes. Step 5. Confirm the transfer. Review the details of your transfer and confirm the transaction. You should receive a confirmation message once the transfer is successful. Remember, transfers can take a few business days to process, so don't worry if the funds don't appear immediately. If you encounter any issues, check your bank account details for accuracy. Happy transferring!